Okay, I will make a very simple marinade for chicken thighs, okay? It's a Filipino chicken marinade, and they call this chicken Inasal, okay? I have here a lemongrass. I will remove this, the hard part, okay? And then slice it into small, okay? And then put it here. Here. You see it? And I'm gonna smash it later. And also I have here garlic. Okay? Well, smash plenty of garlic. Okay? I'm very generous. Okay? Then put it there. Here. There. Okay? And then what next? I have here chili. So, what I will do, we open here. Okay? Okay. Now, we will remove the seeds. Okay? We're not needing that. Yeah, put it here. Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna be needing fresh citron, or you can use citron in the bottle if you don't have fresh one. We'll be needing vinegar, but I prefer to use raspberry flavored wine vinegar. Okay, so it will give a taste of fruits. Okay, so what I will do, I will smash this. Okay, we'll also be needing salt. Okay, now we will begin to smash it. We'll be needing also a piece of ginger. Okay, so we only have to peel off the skin. So I will just slice it here. And we will start smashing everything. Okay? Before we add the vinegar, the salt, and the chicken. Now you see, I already smashed them all, okay? And what we're gonna do, transfer here, okay? But first I will slice the citron, okay? There. Now I have here my raspberry flavored wine vinegar, okay? There. Have you been see what I'm doing? There you are. There. This has no measurement. It's very delicious. Now we're gonna add. It's very delicious, the vinegar. It has a flavor of the raspberry, and it smells very nice. Okay? Yeah. But yeah. Right. And then I'm gonna mix it well. Okay? Before we add the chicken. And here is the citron. Okay. There. Will not include the seeds. Okay? Okay. That will be very delicious. Ooh la la. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. And then we will add salt. Okay? We will taste it later. It will be needing more salt. Okay. It's like heaven. Yum 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 yum. Very delicious. I will add now the chicken. Okay? We will make a slit here. So the marinade will sip. The chicken will absorb the marinade. Okay? So we will make a slit. Okay? And then here. Only one side. Okay? Only one side. You make a slit. There you are. We will rub the marinade to the chicken. Okay. And then we will leave it for about 3-4 hours before we grill it. You can use grilling pan, electric griller, charcoal grill, or in the oven, or pan grill. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. Then I will cover it with a plastic and put it in the wet. Now we're gonna oven baked or oven grilled our chicken. Okay. Now this here. Okay. I have here. Wait. I hope you can see her. I have here how you call that, oil. It is infused with ANATTO seeds. Okay? If you know ANATTO seeds, here. You can infuse your oil with the ANATTO seeds. Okay? To give a very nice color. We should not use how you say that, a natural color. Okay? We can use ANATTO seeds, and I save it here in the bottle. So whenever I cook something and I want to give nice color, I use that. Now we're gonna brush it with the oil, okay, with ANATTO. Okay. So when it's grilling, it will give nice color to the chicken. Color it again. We will paste it again with the ANATTO oil. Okay.